Thinking of opening a gold IRA? Before you trust any company with your retirement savings, here's how to check their reputation in under 2 minutes. Go to Google and search the company name plus reviews plus BBB plus complaints. Take note that you are looking for real and biased experiences, not just testimonials on their own website. Click on the BBB listing. Make sure they are accredited, have a high rating, and check the number of complaints. A good company will respond to complaints professionally and not ignore them. Then visit Trustpilot or Consumer Affairs to see how customers describe their service, especially how they handle issues after the sale. If a company has a pattern of hidden fees or misleading offers, you will spot it here. If you want a shortcut, I've linked a free guide in the description. It walks you through exactly how to spot red flags and choose a transparent gold IRA company. Don't risk your retirement on marketing claims. Click the link in the description and download the free Silver Scheme report so you can confidently compare companies before you invest.